It can be inconvenient and time-consuming to continuously have to see a physical therapist for simple shoulder rehabilitation exercises, all because you don't have the right equipment. The Vive Shoulder Pulley makes shoulder rehabilitation easy. The over-the-door pulley provides controlled movement for a faster recovery from anywhere. With an easy setup, the included non-slip metal bracket fits over most doors. Don't worry about the pulley system damaging or scuffing up. We thought of that, of course. Not only is it durable, it also has a non-marking foam exterior, perfect for frozen shoulder, rotator cuff injuries, post-surgery, or simply just to increase your range of motion. You can recover faster by stretching and strengthening the shoulder with little space needed. The nylon pulley wheel moves the rope freely and smoothly throughout your exercises. See the little black stoppers on the rope? Those are for you to visually track your progress. Just push on the button to release the stopper and move it to watch your range of motion increase over time. The padded handles keep pressure off your palms for comfortable exercise. And if you want to take your shoulder pulley on the go, just stow it in the included carry bag. Your recovery doesn't need to be halted by a vacation or work trip. Use sitting or standing for a personalized experience that works for you and your space. At Vive Health, we want to be a part of your health journey. Let's live better.